Hello friend, today we are going to discuss constructor in Java. The constructor are used to initialize the object state like methods. A constructor also contain collection of statements, that is instructions that are executed at the time of object creation. So friend, the constructor in Java is a block of codes similar to the methods. It is called when the instance of an class is created. It is a special type of method which is used to initialize the object. So, what is the need of the constructor? Think of a box. If we talk about a box class, then it will be some class variables, say length, breadth and height of the box. But when it comes to create its object, that is box will be now exit in computer's memory, then can the box be there? Will no value define for its dimension? So the answer is no. So constructor are used to assign the value to the class variable at the time of object is created, either explicitly done by the programmer or by Java itself. It is called as the default constructor. So when is the constructor called? Each time a object is created using a new keyword. So at least one constructor, that is default constructor, is invoked to assign the initial value of the data member of the same class. So the constructor is invoked at the time of object or instance creation. For example, suppose there is a class Jik. So in this class a constructor is called new Jik, and here is the opening closing curly bracket and here is the closing of the class. Now we can create an object of the above class Jik obj equal to new Jik. So this is the constructor is invoked at the time of object or instance is created. So what are the rule to writing the constructor? Constructor of a class must have the same name as the class name in which it resides. Constructor have the same name as a class name. A constructor in Java cannot be abstract, final, static and synchronized. Access modifier can be used in a constructor declaration to control its access. So which other classes can be called the constructor? That means what are the access modifiers? Public, private, protected, these are used in the constructor declaration. So the types of constructor, there are two types of constructor in Java. No argument constructor, a constructor that has no parameter or no argument is known as the default constructor. If we don't define a constructor in a class, then the compiler creates default constructor, that is with no argument constructor for the class. And if we write a constructor with argument or no argument, then the compiler does not create a default constructor. The default constructor provide the default value to the object like 0 or null depending on the type of the variable. So friend, look at the program. Here the class Jik. In that class there is a integer variable num and name. These are the two types of variable. Num is the integer type and name is the string type. Now here Jik is the here this is the constructor system.out.println constructor called. So class GFC, in that class GFC, this is the main method included in that class GFC, and here this would invoke a default constructor. That means when we create the object of this method, then this default constructor would be created. So Jik gk1 equal to new Jik. So the default constructor provide the default value of the object like 0 or null. Though when we print the jik1.name and jik1.num, then it will be give the output null and 0. So this is the default constructor. And next type is the parameterized constructor. A constructor that has parameter is known as the parameterized constructor. If we want to initialize the field of a class with your own value, then we use the parameterized constructor. That means when user want to pass the parameter to the particular method, then we call the parameterized constructor. So friend, see this program class Jake. This is the same program. Here we take the two data member of a class, string name and int id. Now here the constructor would be initialize the data member with the value present argument while the object of class is created. So now here this dot name equal to name and this dot id equal to id. So this is the keyword. The use of this keyword is we are seen in the later video. So here we define a class GFC, and in that class we include the main method, and in that main method this would invoke the parameterized constructor. Here geek1 equal to new geek, and here we pass the parameter to that particular method Adam comma 1, and here we print the geek name and geek id. So geek1 dot name and plus is the concatenation operator and geek id plus geek1 dot id. So when we execute that program, what will be the output? Geek name Adam and geek id equal to 1, that are passed to the as a parameterized constructor. So these are the two types of the constructor, default constructor and the parameterized constructor. So friend, here what is the constructor? In a Java, a constructor is a block of code similar to the method. It is called when the instance of a class is created. At the time of calling constructor, memory for the object is allocated in the memory. So it is the special type of method which is used to initialize the object. Every time the object is created using the new keyword, at least one constructor is called, and this is called as the default constructor. Thank you for watching this video.